Hey guys, it's Bowser here at Penny Stock Data Science. Another video today about SPRC. This is a big mover today, January 6th. We talked about this ticker a little bit in a recent video when we were talking about some of the Israeli tickers moving after we saw a big move on PRFX, and we talked about this one in particular just because it was connected to the same group of tickers that have been moving and connected to PRFX. And today we saw there was a PR today and quite a bit of action. You know, hitting around $1.78 today from the 50s on Friday. And full disclosure, I was long here on Friday, sold some today, have some left. And again, this is not financial advice, but just disclosing that. And this was on our radar for quite some time. Not just on Friday with the volume. And let's dig a little deeper into that. If we come here to our PSDS Elite tool and we open up SPRC, we will, we got all our stuff here, and we'll see here, we mentioned in our previous video, connected with LA per capital, a couple other keywords here, but it's connected to all these that have moved, JFBR, PRFX, NITO. And in particular, what I want to look at here is the connection to NITO, and this is why I was so interested on Friday. And I've had this on watch in general, just because it's one of these tickers connected to LA per capital. But if we go over to NITO here, we can see all of our filings with our keywords here that we use at PSDS Elite. We have the 8K came out on the 26th, and I already have that up here, and we'll see that it mentions LA per capital and MitoCare. So if we pull up the 8K here, they had some loan agreement with MitoCare, private Israeli company, but this is really a subsidiary of SPRC. And if we go over and we pull up this lookup page, SPRC, you'll see that MitoCare shows up in a lot of filings because it's indeed a subsidiary that they have some ownership over. So we see that 8K come out on NITO, and it moved up quite a bit, and we can pull up the chart here. But you see we have this move from like the 20s all the way to like $3.50. Big move. And there's quite a connection here. We see that the 8K, okay, loan agreement, MitoCare. So it's connected to SPRC. And then we see the volumes are coming into SPRC on Friday, and continue today. And there's some news, but if you dig deeper into these filings, you'll see we have we'll go back to NITO here, but we can look into this 10Q here that mentions MitoCare. It's on the November 14th. I already pulled it up, but if you go and you search MitoCare, you'll see that there's a section here that says that there's a non-binding letter of intent with MitoCare, and SciSpark with NITO for NITO to purchase MitoCare. So there is quite a connection here. It's unclear exactly what's going to happen, but this is why we've had it on radar. That's why it was a long for us. And yeah, that's about it for today. Just wanted to highlight that, kind of show how we're using this tool to connect the dots, find setups, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And also, right now we have a free 7-day trial if you want to sign up on Patreon. And feel free to check it out, subscribe to the channel, and check us out. Thank you.